Want consistent on-brand posts automatically? Let's set up a social media agent in Quick Agents. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Agents, then the dashboard. Go to Agents and select Social Media Agent. Click Activate Agent, then confirm to enable it. Choose Create New Profile to define how this agent should post. Enter a profile name, then click Save. That's it. Your social media agent is created. Use the profile to control tone, frequency, and channels, and the agent will generate posts based on your criteria. Now, want on-brand ad designs delivered to you for review automatically? Let's set up the Ads Creative Agent. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Agent. Go to Agents. Click Choose Create. Then click Save. Check your profile to confirm it's created and linked to the Ads Creative Agent. That's it. The Ads Creative Agent is active. It will generate ad designs based on your profile and send them to you for review before publishing. With Quick Agents, your social posts and ads stay consistent, creative, and on-brand while saving you time.